12-volt fully intelligent battery charger. Adopt a new large-screen digital display. Make the display more intuitive. Adopt an intelligent cooling fan. No noise during charging. The charger supports multiple charging modes. Cars, AGM, motorcycles, repairs free to choose from. One-click switching. Display content is very rich. Can display the charging status of voltage, current, and battery capacity. Check charging status at any time. Adopt a high-power charging clip. Make charger charging more stable. Wide application range can be used to charge cars, motorcycles, trucks, engineering vehicles, start-stop batteries, and various types of lead-acid batteries.